Brody, can you show me the sign for more?
More.
Good job, honey. That's more. Yay! He knows eat, drink, more, milk. Good job, honey. Can you show me eat? Brody, can you show me eat? Eat? Can you show me that sign? No, we're lucky we got more on video. I know what you want though. Brody, can you show me the sign for eat? If you do, I'll give you a goldfish. Can you show me the sign for eat? That's more. What's eat? 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 Show me eat. Brody. Brody, can you show me eat? Okay, show me more again and I'll be happy. Show me more? Do you want more?
Ma?
Do you want more? More? Good job. Hold on. Goldfish, we call them baby treats. We have doggy treats and we have baby treats for tricks. Huh. Hi. Brody, look over here. You want more? Okay. You're awfully cute. What do you need? What do you want? Do you want more? You gotta show me the sign for more. Good job. Yeah, that's silly.
Three home improvement contractors.
All right, we'll get more later.